In 8th grade, section 5.1, we're dealing with perimeter and area. So we're dealing with two different shapes, we're dealing with triangles and rectangles. In triangle, our equation for perimeter for both triangle and rectangle is basically adding all the sides. It just so happens in a triangle you have 3 sides, in a rectangle you have 4. Also the difference is the rectangle's opposite sides are equal. So if you have the value of one width, you have the value of the other. The length, you have the value of the other. But in a triangle, all the sides could be different amounts, and they don't necessarily have to be related to each other. For the area, we have for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So in a right triangle, like this, the line that goes straight down on a right triangle, this can also be a height and a side. But if it's not a right triangle, then the height is from one of the vertex down to the base. Okay? So this would be H and this would be B for a right triangle. This would be a right triangle. Okay? For a regular triangle, it would be that height. So it's important for you to be able to locate it. So number 1, it wants us to find the perimeter. So from here, I'm going to do 24 plus 34 plus 18. Okay, 24 plus 34 is 58. 58. This B doesn't have a calculator, so 58 plus 18, 16, 5, 7. So 76. So this would be 76 centimeters. All right? Number 2, the perimeter of a rectangle is 60 feet. Its width is 9 feet. Find its length. So here's the perimeter. Okay, we know that the perimeter equals 2 W's because the widths are the same plus 2 L's because the lengths are the same. And we know that the entire perimeter, so this is the equation. So let's fill in what we know. Okay, so it's not just a straightforward add up all the sides. They give us the perimeter and we're missing one of the sides. So if the whole perimeter is 60 and its width is 9 feet, then what is its L? Okay? So in this case, let's just do 2 times 9, which is 18, equals 60 plus 2L. Okay? So then I want to take away what is the plus and minus first, what's farthest away, and that's 18. So I'm going to subtract 18 to both sides. This gives me 42 equals, these cancel out, 18 and negative 18, 2L. All right? And 2 is connected to L by multiplication. So in order to get rid of it, I have to divide by 2, and our mantra, whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So I divide by 2, giving me 21 equals L. And because it's in feet, 21 feet. All right, so don't forget the measurements on these ones. Go ahead and do page 225, number 3, 225, number 3, and I will see you in class.